For years, I had problems with bone health. My back specifically is constantly deteriorating. My teeth throughout pregnancy, throughout the issues with my health got worse. It got to the point where they would break off and chip, and there was nothing I could do to stop it. Dr. Arrington, when he started looking at them in 2019, determined that, I would have to just have it completely restored, completely taken out and start anew.
She had, basically a history of major dental problems. She, felt like she had soft teeth. She just had multiple cavities, just, didn't go regularly like she should, in her late teens, early 20s. And her teeth had deteriorated to the point that it was really a big social problem for her.
It didn't matter what I did, my body was constantly working against me. So just brushing, good oral health, nothing was gonna change what was happening.
We decided that an All-On-4 or an All-On-6 was the best solution for her. She basically was gonna have to have so much restorative dentistry work that it just was not gonna be a good option long term. So we removed her teeth and basically went with all implants, which is an All-On-4 procedure.
I hadn't been to the dentist in about 4 or 5 years. The last time I had gone, it was a horrible experience. So initially, the day I came in to see Dr. Arrington, we talked and just got familiar with each other so that way I'd be comfortable. We didn't even do anything for a while till I was comfortable. Anytime I felt uncomfortable, I can ask questions, I can know everything that's going on, and they'll explain it. Dr. Arrington has a way with people. Coming into contact with someone like him, you remember him, his genuine desire to want to help people. He wants to improve when he can. And I've always believed that you should leave someone better than when you found them, and Dr. Arrington is definitely someone who does that. You come out feeling so much better about yourself. There's not one thing, it's everything. It's not even the same life that I was living before. I don't even feel like the same person. I'm not treated like the same. I'm not looked at the same way. I mean, there's so many opportunities, things that never came my way before. Yesterday, I had a lady tell me that I was in the wrong profession. I'm supposed to be in movies with a smile like this. So, I mean, it's made a difference with everything. I'd hide in the shadows basically before, but now I don't mind being in front row center. It doesn't bother me at all.